much for joining us today. If you're joining us for the first time, please subscribe and watch our previous videos. We'll appreciate it so much. Today we're going to do something very exciting that you can also do at home. We're going to do some DIY home decor. We're going to be using cement to prepare some very beautiful vases that you can use to decorate your houses with beautiful flowers or plants. We'll be needing some old jugs. We'll need, this is one of the plastic oil bottles which we cut, some plastic bowls, and the cement. This is the cement. We also need some old rags and some gloves and some scissors. We'll need also water. So the first thing is to mix your cement. Oh no, Baba. Cement is very fine, easy. I don't want you so close. So you mix your cement, add some water. Okay. The thing. We need our rags. You need to decide which size of the vase you want to make. So for me, I'm trying to make at least this size shaped of the vase. So I'm going to take my rag and cut it into 4 pieces, as you can see. So we have the right size of the rag that we need to use. So the next thing is very easy. It's just to dip the rag into the mixture. So easy. So you make sure that it is well soaked, that all areas are covered with the cement. So this is why it is important to have laid down these papers to avoid dirtifying your whole area. So now we just take the right size of the container and cover it, so that we'll let it dry. It will dry over time. So we can do the same thing for the next rag. The next one, we are going to make another mix so that we get glove-shaped vases, but not too thick such that it doesn't pour out of the container you are using. take your glove. After filling the gloves with cement, you need to tie them down so that they look like this, you know. So I'm using this string to tie them down. Make sure you tie the cement in well. Okay. So after tying this down, you need a bowl where you can place it so that the hands can carve. Yeah. We'll get back to you later when they've dried. Been 4 days since we prepared these vases, and they are now dry. We're going to do the unveiling. Let's see what worked and what didn't work. So I'm going to start with this one. I used a jug, and yeah, this one looks really beautiful. I think I love it most of all because of also the size. It's larger. This one we used a small plastic. How it looks. We'll see how that goes. Sometimes zukata. The fingers are okay. The cement didn't really. Oh my god. Okay, this one. With this one, we'll have to do something about this. But it's supposed to look like this. So the palms are okay, lakini vidole. Yeah. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. Hii mambo ya DIY si mchezo, you guys. But hizi ni rahisi, hizi you can do this. These are a few plants that we rehabilitated. They were in a very poor state, but at least now they are quite lively. So I'm going to transplant a few to these vases. reason for you not to put ornamental plants in your home now. And make your own vases. You don't have to buy them. And you can find plants anywhere you go.